Hey folks, Alan Tittle here again. One common injury that we see here in our practice as a result of car accidents, medical negligence, or medical malpractice, or some other type of personal injury claim are traumatic brain injuries. 1.7 million people a year in the United States suffer traumatic brain injuries. And as you can imagine, those are life-altering events that change your life forever. Now, there's really two main causes of traumatic brain injuries that we see in our practice, our personal injury practice. It's usually caused by blunt force trauma, you're in a car crash, you hit your head, or a lack of oxygen. Now, when you suffer a brain injury from blunt force trauma, the symptoms are very similar to a concussion because a concussion is a brain injury. So headaches, vomiting, dizziness. It's very important if you have those symptoms to seek medical attention immediately because you may have a brain bleed causing your brain to swell. And if the proper medical treatment is not provided, you could die. The other type that I mentioned before, the lack of oxygen brain injury, it's pretty much the symptoms you see in a stroke. And the long-term effects are the same. So you could have one-sided paralysis, weakness of the limbs, dizziness, short-term and long-term memory loss. All these things can occur as a result of a traumatic brain injury. And folks, I want to sort of emphasize that what makes traumatic brain injuries unique are that you can look at the person and think, oh, they look fine. But in reality, they've suffered a traumatic injury that has changed their life. If you or a loved one has suffered a traumatic brain injury as a result of someone else's negligence, either in a car accident, semi-truck crash, medical malpractice, please give us a call or visit our website today. Thank you. Take care.